Philippine laws. Please confirm by an answer of yes or no. I will ask the bride first. Marianne, did you come here out of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, who is Charles John Malaho?
Yes.
Sir. Now I will ask the bridegroom the same. Charles John Malaho, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your love wife, who is Marianne Mahinay? Yes. Now I will ask both of you together. Are both of you, Brother Charles John Malaho and Sister Mahinay, Marianne Mahinay, I should say, prepared and committed to raise your future blessed children in the tradition of true love, to become filial towards you as their parents, to become responsible members of society and the education community, and to become the worthy heavenly citizens of the substantial kingdom of heaven or sovereign nation of God?
Yes, I do.
Power. Furthermore, are you both prepared and committed to raise and educate your children as shining role models who will represent God, our beloved heavenly parents, our beloved true parents, and the unification family to everyone, to every place, conveying God's blessing?
Yes, I.
Thank you. And now we proceed to states of wedding vows. Charles John and Sister Marianne, since you desire to contract holy marriage today, please reach out to each other's hand. Hold hands together, please. And express that intention publicly before God, our beloved heavenly parent, and our beloved true parents of heaven and earth, and humankind, in an eternal bond of love based on the ideal of God's great second blessing. In the name of God, our beloved heavenly parents, and our spiritual parents of heaven and earth in one God, I, Charles John Malaho, thank you, Marianne Mahinay, to be my lawfully wedded blessed wife, to have the hope for this day forward, for better, or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness or in health, to love and to hold, and to serve you as long as I shall live, and to continue loving you as my beloved wife, until we are reunited in this third world of the living. Hereafter, we're together, we shall both be, to show our love in peaceful eternity. This is my solemn vow.
In the name of God, I, Marianne and thank you, Charles John Malaho, to be my blessed husband, to have and to hold this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to hold, and to cherish you as long as I live, and to continue loving you as my beloved husband, and though
You have decided today to have
your lawfully wedded husband? Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all other men for him, to become the faithful wife and to become the loving and caring mother of his children as long as you shall live?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to give yourself to Brother Charles John Balao?
Yes, I do.
To give me his best wife until death and beyond the hereafter?
Yes, I do.
Now let's go to the group.
Good morning guys! So ngayong umaga kasama ko po ang mga vloggers. So nandito si Idang TV.
Yes, I am.
Yes, nandito rin si Totoy TV Vlog. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel na please like and subscribe your channel. Thank you so much!